stopped running at 10:34. Stopped running a while ago. So, I think maybe the best thing to do at this point would be a quartz conversion. Just a little bit of lube. And it's ticking away. So the only problem is, the points. I just wanted to test it. It works like I thought it would. I filed the contacts down, and here it comes. There it goes. So I could probably, go with this movement. It's all oiled up. It would probably work for, a while. I just don't know. It's like, I don't know how long it'll last. So I decided to go with the quartz. Those contacts look pretty worn when you look at them really closely. There's not a whole lot of meat left on them, especially the stationary one. It's really thin. I just, I don't have a whole lot of faith in it. But, it works, and if I ever change the points out, then I'll put this movement back in because it's fine other than the contact points. Okay. Finished putting the clock back together. It now has a quartz movement. I'm a little hesitant, disappointed to go with the quartz movement rather than the original Borg movement, because I really like the tick-tock of the clock and the noise that it makes and all that stuff. But I think if I can replace the points in it, I'll have a lot more confidence in it. But this clock will outlive me, I'm sure, because you figure that the battery's not going to be connected all that much. And there it goes. Modern electronics. Got the second hand, or the the second hand all shined up, and it's all cleaned up, and looks like it's working pretty good. We have a working
clock there.